The journey of It's Been a Journey, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. It's been a journey. This simple yet profound statement is packed with meaning and is widely used in both casual and formal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand its nuances and how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's embark on this journey together. When we hear the word journey, the first thing that might come to mind is a physical trip from one place to another. However, in the phrase, "It's been a journey," we're often talking about a figurative journey. This means the speaker is referring to an experience or process that has taken place over time, involving growth, change, or overcoming challenges. It's not about moving from point A to point B, but rather about the evolution or transformation that happens along the way. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, but it's particularly popular in personal growth, when someone has gone through a lot of self-improvement or discovery. Professional development, reflecting on one's career progression or the process of achieving a significant goal. Overcoming obstacles, whether it's battling an illness, dealing with loss, or any other challenging life situation. Creative projects, in the arts, such as writing a book, making music, or any endeavor that requires a lot of effort and transformation. It's been a journey is a way to summarize a complex experience that has had a significant impact on the person speaking. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be integrated into speech. 1. After completing a degree, looking back at these 4 years of college, it's been a journey. I've grown so much not just academically, but also personally. 2. In a professional context, starting my own business wasn't easy. It's been a journey, but seeing where we are now, it was all worth it. 3. During personal challenges, recovering from my surgery was tough. It's been a journey, but I'm stronger now because of it. These examples show how the phrase encapsulates the essence of a significant period of change or growth. In essence, "It's been a journey" is a powerful way to express that an experience has been transformative, challenging, and ultimately, meaningful. It's a testament to the human spirit's ability to grow and adapt through all kinds of experiences. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the depth of this phrase and encourages you to reflect on your own journeys. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every experience in life, good or bad, is a journey worth learning from. See you in the next video.